Hello everyone and good evening. So today is Monday, unang araw ng linggo. So syempre, StockWentuhan ulit tayo ngayong araw na to. And sige, since kakastart pa lang naman, then let's wait for maybe 2 more minutes. Tapos ano natin, magsisimula na tayo. Ayan, sige. Kumbaga, paramihin lang muna natin para mas marami tayong makasabay and magtuloy-tuloy no yung gagawin natin. While waiting, syempre, batiin muna natin no yung mga nasa stream natin kasi mula kanina or at least maaga pa sila no na nag-join in especially dun sa YouTube. Ayan. Sige. So, hello Noel, good evening sa iyo. Ayun yan, no? Pindot ko muna no. Hello Cesar, good evening. Ayan. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Lenore, good evening. May mag Ako pa din. No? Ako pa rin. Ganun talaga. Ayan. Hello, Rowena. Good evening. Joey Bulosehi. Hello. Good evening. Ayan. Lori, hello sa'yo. Good evening sa'yo. Bulosehi. Ay, sa pangalan na. Ayan. Hello, Gina. Good evening. Pandy Ray, hello. Good evening. Ars Ayuban, magandang gabi. Ako nga dapat ang mamamas ko di ba? Ayan. Pero good evening Maraming salamat for tuning in. Ayan. Hello, Janet. Good evening. BJ, Janner, hello sa'yo. Ayan. Okay. Sige, no? So, dumadami na. Anong version ng silog? Halos lahat Kumbaga, name it. Gusto ko, no? Ano bang ayoko? Wala lahat Lahat trip ko. Yan. Hello, Roy. Good evening. Mavic. Hello. Good evening. Yan. Sige. Ganito, no? Para gusto ko makapagsimula tayo and makover na natin agad, no? Itutuloy ko yung pagbati sa lahat maya-maya, no? For now, muna tayo, technical check para lang ma-make sure ko na maayos, no? If everything is okay, malinaw, maayos, nakikita niyo yung mouse ko dito na gumagalaw, no? Dun sa video. So, na lang, pa-press naman ako guys, number 4, no? Number 4. Okay, para lang alam ko. And then, kung may kinakailangan ng changes or ayusin, then I can do that. Sige. Yun. Maraming salamat. So, may mga nag-number 4 na. Yan. Okay. Sige. With that, let's go. No, let's go sa go. Asa na yung ko dito? Ayan. Okay. So, once again, good evening sa lahat. Dun sa mga bago pa lang dito sa StockWentuhan. This is a regular show dito sa StockSilog kung saan nagla-live stream tayo, no? Both Facebook and YouTube every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays at around 8:30 p.m. Today, 8:30. Diba? Ngayon, dito natin pinag-uusapan yung mga special topics, Q&A, tapos stock review. Kung baguhan ka man or experienced na trader, definitely you will learn something here. Syempre, remember lahat na pinag-uusapan natin dito from this moment on hanggang sa matapos itong stream natin, these are not recommendations. Hindi po ako nagbibigay ng reco, and I hope na everything I share to you guys, you just take it as part of your research. Okay? Do not never take it as your main consideration para para bumili or magbenta. Okay? For research purposes lang po ito. Okay? Ikaw pa rin ang pipindot ng buy or sell button. So please, think before you click. Okay? And of course, if you find this session helpful, please follow our social media accounts, especially sa YouTube, kung saan ipopost ko yung timestamp nung bawat topic, questions, and stock codes na mapag-uusapan natin ngayong araw na to. Okay? Syempre, share the stream na rin para mas marami tayong matulungan. Okay? So with that, let's proceed. Quick reminder lang that we are using Slido dito in terms of our Q&A. Okay? So just go to www.sli.do, tapos participant code natin is of course StockSilog, and then you will see etong window na ito. So you have your Q&A and you have your polls. Sa Q&A, of course, questions. Sa polls naman, stock request. Okay? With that, let me try and post, no? Para, since malakas naman kayo sa akin, I'll post dito yung sa questions. Okay? So direct link na ito, ha? Teka, ha? No? Let's do it here. Okay, para at least ma-prioritize ko yung mga tanong na gusto ng karamihan. Ayan. Okidoki. Ayan. Okay. So that is posted already both in Facebook and in YouTube. Ayan. With this, okay na ha. So, yan, yung mga gusto magtanong, just go to that link. You can upvote a question or you can also add your own question. Okay? Siyempre, kapag ina-upvote niyo yung question na yun, that means you're interested para malaman yung sagot na yun. And yun naman yung magiging natin dito, magiging reference natin dito. Okay? So, let's start. No? Sabi ni Jean Newman. Wow, nice. Sabi niya, Sir, good evening. Ano po ang sinasabi ng 5% yield daw si KEEPR? Nababasa ko lang sa mga comments. Hindi ko pa na-check itong part na to, no? Yung sa yield ni KEEPR. Pero Gino man, if you have a link kung saan nila nakukuha yun, meron na ba? Teka ha. Let's try to check, no? Disclosures. Medyo matagal ako, pasensya na guys, medyo matagal ako nawala. So, naghahabol pa lang ako ng mga infos sa ngayon. Okay. Hindi pa lang kakatagalan, no? Almost a week, no? So, last week, halos wala talaga tayong live, no? Ito yung sa FOO nila. Pero yeah, wala. Mas maganda sana, no, kung may link kung saan na nakuha yung part na yon. Ayan. Wala eh. Pasensya na ha, kasi hindi ko rin siya masyadong kabisado pa, no. Wala rin kasi ko naalala, no, pagdating do sa kanyang yield. Okay. Yan. Your thoughts on dito SRO? Nagbigay na ba sila? Magkano? May presyo na ba kung magkano ang SRO? Check ko sa comment section, baka may mga nag sumasagot na dun sa mga part na yun. Sabi ni Allen, basag daw yung sound. Guys, can you check? Can you confirm kung okay yung sound or I need to make some changes? Ayun, sabi naman ni Batang Munti, okay naman daw yung sound. So, Allen, baka sa speakers mo or sa headset mo or sa phone mo or kung ano man yung ginagamit mo. Yan. Kasi sabi naman nila okay naman eh. Baka lang doon lang sa headset mo. Okay, sige. So dito SRO, meron na ba to? Parang wala pa kasi. Let me have a quick check, no? Pero ito lang in general, okay, in general, no? SROs are usually they are lower, no, than the market price. Pero kung nagbigay na si dito ng market ng presyo, magandang malaman kung magkano. Diba? Yung kadalasan sa yun yung kadalasan sa mga Okay. Kasi yung last ko dito na information is that ang price point ni dito, SRO, is nasa range ng 6.11 hanggang 7 pesos. Okay? Ito yung, pero this is ano pa ha? This is as of, kailan ba to? November 3. Okay, November 3 ha, yung reference ko dito. Which is eto. Para lang may ano kayo, may reference kayo. Yan. Yan. So as of November 2 pa pala to, no? Ito. So within 6 to 7 per share. Okay? Pero noong araw na yon, medyo may kataasan pa si dito. Yun nga lang kanina na ewan ko, ako napansin niyo, 'di ba? Medyo nag-drop si dito eh. Yan, no? Nag 604. Okay? So ito, magkakaalaman nito kung kailan ang offer date. Which is, kailan nga ba? Wala pa, no? Yeah, parang wala pa. Or at least hindi ko na nababasa. Okay? Doon magkakaalaman. If the price point is almost similar lang, kung maliit lang yung difference pagdating doon sa market price ni dito at the time of the offer period, then obviously it might not be a good ano na. Diba? Unless of course ibaba pa din nila to. Diba? Kung ibaba pa nila, then much better. Dalawa lang naman yan. Either ibaba nila ito or umangat yung presyo ni dito para maging attractive siya sa mga holders or sa mga shareholders. Kasi kung hindi, then might as well sa market na ako bibili, mas mura pa, diba? At least pag sa market, sure ball yung yung idea or yung situation kung kikita ba talaga ako or hindi. Okay. So that's that. And then, good evening po. Ano ibig sabihin ng disclosure ni SGP about the stabilization report for the week ending November 12, 2021? Okay, sige. When we talk about stabilization report, kasi remember ha, every time kasi na nagkakaroon ng mga activities like SRO, IPO, FOO, no, yung companies, they can offer stabilization or nagbibigay sila ng stabilization fund. Ano ibig sabihin ng stabilization fund or stub fund? Ibig sabihin ito yung allowance sa binibigay ng company doon sa kanilang broker, which is si PNB yata, di ba? No? Para alagaan yung presyo for a certain period, usually 30 days. Okay? So, once na merong ganon, once bumaba yung presyo nung SGP, for example, pwedeng gawin ni broker is that gamitin yung stub fund para ma-stabilize yung presyo. Para hindi bumagsak, no, ng malalim kung babagsak man si SGP, diba? So ayun. Now, meron ba? Tingnan natin very quickly. Sabi mo 12, di ba? So, pero baka ito yun. Hindi yan. How about this one? Yeah. So mukhang plano nila is weekly, no, na ilabas yung stub fund. Pero hindi naman siya talagang bumaba, ano? Which means baka hindi rin naman nila nagamit. O yun. So wala. Yeah. Kasi hindi naman nag-drop ng tuluyan or ng below, no? Below the FOO price itong presyo ni SGP. So pag ganoon, syempre hindi na nila gagamitin, diba? Again, pang-abang lang 'yan, pang-abang. Kung halimbawa mag-drop yung presyo ng company. Okay. Next is pa-review po ng NGPN all start ng IPO date. O tingko SGP yung ibig mong sabihin. Anonymous, ganito. Post mo ito doon sa ano ha, dun sa stock review. Okay? Para doon ko siya ma-review kasi this is more on questions, Q&A tayo muna, no? Saan natin pupulutin? I mean, hanggang saan natin nahabulin si SGP? Well, up to you. Hindi kasi ganito, no? I'm not sure what you mean by hanggang saan natin. Kasi hindi naman tayo parang horde dito na tipong, oh tara, grupo tayo, bilhin natin si SGP tapos paliparin natin, no? Hindi ganoon. Walang ganoon. Well, at least not with StockSilog. Okay? Ako, I just share kung ano lang yung nalalaman ko. I share sa inyo kung paano yung mga strategy ko, and then up to you, no? Kasi ayoko sa lahat, to be honest, no? Ayoko yung tipong grupo tayo, tara paliparin natin, pabagsakin natin yung isang stock. That's not a good practice, no? Kung may gumagawa man nun, then good luck. But here kasi I don't, no? Kung saan, hanggang saan ang hahabulin si SGP, hindi ko kasi masasabi yan eh, no? I tried to buy SGP kaso hindi na execute yung yung order ko for some reason. So kaya hindi ko na siya inattempt, tapos naging busy na ako last week. So wala na. No. Ito, sabi niya naman dito, how's your experience using Philstocks? I'm looking for a second stockbroker to open an account with. Thanks. Okay, maganda ha. Okay, this is Philstocks. No? Medyo may pagka-outdated yung kanyang interface, pero I like it in terms of yung black interface ng no? Mas gusto ko yon. Okay, and then meron din silang may reference din, may research team din sila, which is good. No? And they give you everyday na mga reviews and coverage and updates, no, ng mga stocks. So yeah, go with Philstocks. Okay din 'yan. Sabi dito, nag-iiba-iba po ba ang value ng market cap or fix ito? Anong significance nito sa stock price? Yes, nag-iiba-iba ang market cap kasi ganito siya. Oops. Nag-ano ko ng kanina. Ayan. So, market cap or what we call MCAP. Okay. What we call MCAP is actually an equation. Okay. It is based on the current stock price multiplied by the company shares, no, outstanding shares. Okay, so yan. That is the equation for MCAP. Now, yung question mo rito, kung fixed ba ito? No, kasi remember ha, etong outstanding shares, eto fixed to. Pero ang stock price, this varies kung ano ang nakikita natin sa stock price nito per day. So, the moment na merong changes dito sa stock price, then obviously, mag-iiba din itong MCAP or market cap mo. Okay? Anong significance nito sa stock? Anong significance nito sa stock price? No. Actually, ang stock price ang may significance sa MCAP. Okay? Yung stock price yung may significance sa MCAP. But basically, MCAP is just an equation. Okay? Calculate or multiplying itong dalawang to. Okay? So, ayan. Paano po masadyang charting ni SGP? Medyo hindi kasi ma-zoom. Can you try? Okay. Oo nga, kasi malaki yung drop niya, di ba? Teka ha, let me double check. Asan yan? SGP. So if you see here, dito siya galing. Diba? Yan, dito yung galing. Pero right now, it is trading at around 15 pesos, which is eto. You have to scroll this one out ha, para makita mo siya. Ay, sorry. Malayo yan. Ayan. Di ba? Andi dito siya ngayon. Ayan. So that's how you can see it. Medyo maliit lang yan kung halimbawa naka-zoom in ka ng ganito, yung normal niya. Di ba? Ayan. Asan siya? Ayun, layo from this part here hanggang dito. So ayan, pero yun, that's how you can find it. Kailan po may epekto ang share buyback disclosure sa price? May opposite po ba na sell forward? Binabalik po ba nila yun sa market? Okay. So when companies do share buyback, no, anong epekto nito? Ay kailan merong effect? Immediately. No, immediately. Kasi yung sa buyback program naman nila, they are actually buying from the market. Okay? So kung halimbawa yung nakikita ninyo dun sa screen ninyo during the trading hours, yun mismo yun. They are buying from the market. So, yung effect nun, of course, nandoon agad kasi syempre the more shares they buy, yung presyo nun can go up. No? Potentially can go up. Okay? Unless sumasalo lang sila, di ba? But the sentiment is there, no? The positive sentiment of those buying back their shares is quite good din naman. May opposite po ba ito like sell forward? Binabalik po ba nila yun sa market? Well, binabalik nila yun when they sell it. No? Pero hindi siya ganun ka-straightforward like buying back. Okay? Kasi ganito. Saan na yung ano ko? Mahiwaga akong notepad. Okay? Let's discuss it. So, buyback. Okay. Sa buyback kasi, ang nangyayari diyan kapag binili ng company yung shares nila from the market, no? Ang nangyayari doon, yung shares na yon, okay, papasok yon sa treasury ng company. Okay? Which means pag-aari yun ng company. Now, what they do usually is from the treasury, pwede yung maibigay as part of their bonus ng mga executives. Or kung sino man yung mga executives na gustong bumili from the treasury. Okay? So sila yon. Now, etong part na to, hindi natin nakikita yan kasi this is internal. Sa kanila yon. Okay? Makikita lang natin yung effect nun once na, for example, binigay ng company as bonus executive ang, let's say, 100,000 shares. Yan. So si executive 1, si exec 1, now has, kunwari lang meron siyang 10,000, 10K shares. Okay? Now, from the market, ito yung pwede niyang ibenta kung gusto niya. Okay? So, ganun yun. Next. Medyo binibilisan ko kasi gusto ko makarami tayo dun sa sa stock request. Okay? Happy trip to... Maraming salamat, Anonymous. Yan. Will you add SGP sa long-term port mo? No, I won't. Why? Kasi hindi siya for remember si SGP ang coverage niya doon kay NGCP is only part lang, no? Yung malakas magbigay ng dividend si NGCP. Okay, kanino binibigay yon? Sa mga shareholders niya. Now, sino yung mga shareholders? The majority one is SGP. Okay? Now, does that ang worry ko dito is that hindi naman kasi lagi na just because nagbigay ng dividend itong si NGCP kay SGP, ibibigay din ni SGP yon sa stakeholders niya. It doesn't always go that way. Hindi lagi. Again, yung mga investors na nasa SGP, they just rely kung magkano ang ibibigay ni SGP. Okay? Not ni NGCP. Okay? So, because of that, hindi ko siya mailalagay sa long-term port ko. Thanks sa Metaverse intro. I don't trade crypto, pero after the session, well, yeah, you can try naman, no? Walang problema. Platform na gamit, depende kung aling, again, 'di ba, yung pinag-usapan natin pagdating dun sa Metaverse, yung mga NFTs. It depends kung anong plano mong pasukin, no? Will you be in the arts, collectibles, games, ayun. And then from there you can find, no, if art and collectibles, then go to Rarity or OpenSea. Okay, kung gusto niyo ng games, then from their website o kaya sa mga exchanges, no, like KuCoin, Pancake, and Binance. So ayan, bilis ng ano, saan ako? Yan. So, oops. Hala, may naklik tuloy ako. Ang bilis nun eh. Sorry. Sa anong price mo nag-base yung ceiling and flooring ng price ng KEEPR once it resumes trading? Sa 12 pesos or yung 2 pesos na last trading price? Okay. I'll have to double check, no? Pero if I am not mistaken, doon siya sa 2 pesos. Okay, I could be wrong ha. Kailangan kong i-reviewin, medyo tagal na, matagal na siyang huling na base. So, pasensya na, medyo ano pa ako ngayon, mapurol pa ako. Kailangan kong balikan, no? Yung part na 'yon. Okay. Ito yata yun, no? Yeah, o nga pala. Na-mention ko na rin naman, 'di ba? Nakakuha ako ng allocation ng KEEPR. So, we'll see how it goes. Anong magiging plano ko kay KEEPR? Most likely, 1 day, maximum 2 days lang ako dyan. Short-term trade ang gagawin ko kay KEEPR. No, I won't go long-term on this one. Anong take po niyo sa charting review? Yeah, as I mentioned kanina, please type it doon sa poll, no? Yung ALLDY or yung SGP, so I can check. Does buyback share affect the public float of the common stock? Yes, it does. No? Yeah. It affects, no? Kasi mawawala siya sa public eh. Mapupunta siya sa treasury ng company. Ay, parang marami yata to, no? Nasa 6 na si dito. Sa tingin ko ay nasa strong support na. Dapat ko na bang pasukin? What do you think? Well, Anonymous, ang magiging tanong ko sa iyo is, what is your support ba? Kasi doon ka dapat mag-base, hindi sa sasabihin ko. Okay? Dapat doon ka mag-base kung ano yung support mo, no? Now, if I try to check dito, basag yun. Binigyan ko na siya ng allowance dito, no, at 665. Kaso wala eh, basag talaga eh. No? I don't know kung saan yung support mo, no, pero ako kasi 550 na yung kasunod ko. Oh, meron pa pala rito. I know, actually. Mukhang 480 pa. I might go with 480 as the next support. Yan. This, and this. No? So, ayun. I'm not sure. Again, depende kasi kung saan yung nakikita mong support. Okay? Depende yan kung saan mo nakikita yung support. Sa akin yun, 480. Medyo malalim, no? How do we translate yung data regarding foreign buying and selling? Ibig lang bang sabihin ay sa mga stocks na may NFPs nandoon yung pera? No. Not necessarily. Ito NFBs or yung mga foreign funds, okay? I'm not saying that they don't matter anymore. They still do, no? Pero with what we are seeing in the past several months, yung mga locals natin sumasalo na. So, if you ask this question siguro 2 to 3 years ago, I would say follow the foreign. Pero kung ngayon, our locals are really gearing up na rin, no? Which is good. So, I would say 50-50. No? And besides, to be honest, I don't really follow kung alin yung mga merong foreign at tsaka kung ano yung mga naka-local. I would rather go with price action. Okay? Oh, dahil pa. Try kong mabilisan, no? If you compare SGP and ALLDY from their lowest price, makikita na mas nag-recover si SGP against ALLDY from its lowest point. Okay. I'm not sure if there is a question here or ano to, parang kadugtong ba ito ng other question kanina. Okay. So, I'm not sure. DMC for long term, yep. I like DMC on the long term. Kasi maganda and consistent yung dividends niya. No? Not just this year, but almost every year. Diba? So, ayan. Nung newbie ka, sir, how do you manage your small capital? Paano mo nilalaro ang trading? Ito lang, no? Yung pag-trade, I understand na merong differences in how you would manage a small capital from a big capital. Pero dapat hindi mo tinitingnan yon, no? Regardless kung gaano kalaki, kung let's say 10,000 lang yung capital mo or if you have 10 million pesos as capital, doesn't really matter. What's important is how you manage the risk. No? How you manage the risk. And how you would do that is, again, by having a trade plan. Diba? Entry, exit, cut loss. Yun lang yun. Okay? As long as you have those and you execute those, you are good. Okay? Bakit po nag-average up ang ibang trader? What are the benefits? Nag-average up sila dahil potentially nakikita nila na nag-stabilize or strong naman yung support. No? And also, they are looking for na baka may itataas pa. No? So, ganun siya. Uy, parang dumadami na. Guys, ano lang warning lang at some point I have to stop answering questions here kasi may ano pa tayo, stock review pa tayo. Okay? So kaya tinatry kong bilisan. So pasensya na mamaya baka hindi ko masagot lahat. Okay. Nasaan ako? Saan yung sinagot ko kanina? Ba't nawala? Nawala. Ito pala. Ayan. Bakit nag-average up and what are the benefits yun? As I've mentioned, di ka po ba lugi nun? Well, technically, may pagkalugi ng konti, pero again, it's like, it's like buying a fresh new shares sa market, no? The only difference is, meron ka ng lower price point prior. Diba? Okay. Ito may follow-up pa pala to, no? So, kunyari paparating pa lang din yung dividend, then what's your personal take po? Ito Pepper, baka naguguluhan ka, no? Dun sa part na yon. Okay? It all boils down kung ano yung gusto mong strategy. Okay? Are you a long-term dividend player ba? If yes, then averaging up or averaging down would make sense. No, either of those two. Pero kung short term ka lang, then maybe you can do average up, but for me I don't do average down on short term trades. Okay? So So, ayun. Again, averaging up, maybe you wanted to double down doon sa position mo. Okay. Ito. So, tapos na rin to. Sabi ni Anonymous dito, Sir Mike, due to COP26, ano yung COP26? Meron kaya ito epekto sa companies like coal mining and power using coal like, I don't know what is COP26. Meron bang something yun? Teka ha, let me check. Ay, sa climate change. Why? Ayaw na ba nila sa coal? Well, kasi si coal naman medyo tumataas yung carbon footprint, no? Once it is there. Pero remember ha, although malaki pa rin ang ang business ng DMC and the SEC sa coal, they are slowly but surely, they are trying to transition into a renewable energy na din. No, it will take time, It will take time for those two. Pero they are switching na rin kasi they understand that because of the climate change, yung mga companies with higher carbon footprint, baka madehado in the long run. So they are already transitioning. And to be honest, matagal na yung matagal na yung case na yan. So I think medyo na yan. Unless of course maging aggressive, no, ang government in limiting its carbon footprint, then doon lang. Can we have about sa crypto? Sige, pag-isipan ko we can do parang we'll review a particular coin, di ba? We'll review a particular coin once. Kahit isang coin lang per session, no? Para lang natin siya. We'll see, no, Oliver. Yung cut loss usually VAR po ang usapan, okay? Meron bang time cut loss? Until when do you want for confirmation ng breakout or breakdown? Kung konso can take years. Okay. Ako kasi hindi ako usually gumagamit ng VAR. No? Kasi ang reference ko on my cut loss and take profit is of course my support and resistance. Not because na-hit na niya yung VAR min or VAR max ko. Okay? So, ayan, at least that's on the first part. And then, meron bang time cut loss? Wala naman, no? Pero ako ganito. Kung halimbawa hindi talaga nagalaw na yung stock na hawak ko, and then there is another stock na nasa watchlist ko which is more, may potential, no? I can decide, no? I can decide to cut it and then move to the next one. I do that sometimes. Pero kasi ako, I can sit up to even years. No? I can sit about a year or two if I wanted to. Okay, next. For 20M, what is the maximum stock committee will be recommending to be on your portfolio? Maybe the number of stocks, tama ba? Okay, so with that, no, kung ako yan what I will do is hahatiin ko. Okay? So for example, 10M, 10M. And then I'll have two broker. The first 10M will be solely for long term. Long term. Maghahanap ako ng mga high dividend yield stocks. And then doon ko ilalagay yung 10M. And then the other 10M is for short term. Okay? Why kailangan ko ng long term? Kasi two things, no? Number one, I need something for the long haul. Okay? And number two, confidence. Why? Kasi I don't know siguro sa mga matatagal na sa inyo, no, you would appreciate this or you would understand this, no, na mas nagiging confident ka whenever you are trading short term dahil alam mo na even if matalo ka doon, you still have your long term na kumikita ng maganda. No, kumbaga meron kang backup, ika nga. Diba? That adds confidence. Diba? So, yun. That's how I will do it. And then, doon sa long term ko, wala ako masyadong maximum doon, number of stocks. Kasi ilan lang naman talaga sila. Pero on the short term, ako again, I will not go beyond 10. No, I will not go beyond 10. Siguro, sweet spot would be 6 to 8. 4 to 8 stocks, no? If meron akong 10M. Why? Simply because on a short term, you have to monitor all of them. You have to monitor them. If you have more than 10 stocks, good luck on how you would monitor it. No? Kasi you have to check it eh. Di ba? Depending on how you would like to play it. At siguro maybe at least once a day or once a week. Diba? Okay. So, ayan. Anong oras? 9:12. Okay, sige. So, ito last 2 na lang po. Last 2 na lang. I'll stop here. Tapos pupunta ako sa comment section and then we'll do the stock request. Okay. Paano computing yung cash dividend? Sample, may 1,000 shares ka. So, multiply lang ba given number, given percentage or total cost mo given the percentage. Ito. Saan ba yun? Teka ha. Ito. Diyan ka. Kasi mag-base ka doon sa kung magkano mo nabili yun. Diba? Doon ka mag-base. Tapos, actually, hindi pala given percentage, no? Hindi given percentage. Ang magiging multiplier mo dito is kung magkano per share. Okay? So, once again, yung average price mo times yung dividend per share. Okay? Makikita mo yan, don't worry, kasi ganito. As an example, no, edge. Asan yung edge? Edge. Ayan. Ano ba? Kunwari, DMC. Ito yung madalas yung nagbibigay eh. Dividend, no? Ito. Ayan. Ito. Okay? So, average price mo kung magkano man siya, multiplied by ito. No? Doon mo makukuha yung dividend yield mo. Okay? Do not just rely doon sa sinasabi sa mga kunwari, DMC is giving out 10% dividend yield. No. Kasi again, the dividend yield is computed based on this one multiplied by your stock price. Okay? What if, for example, nabili mo na to way back pa, wherein yung presyo pa nun was, kunwari lang, 2 pesos si DMC. I'm not sure kung mapos siya ng 2 pesos, pero kunwari 2 pesos. So, ang laki yun. Diba? That may be more than 10% pa nga. Diba? Yan. And then, last but not the least, sa SCCN ka, maging malaki ba yung effect ng for me kasi, I think it has already priced in. Meron itong negative na sentiment the moment na mag-take effect siya. Short term lang. Why? Kasi this has been an ongoing issue na ever since, no? Simula nung pumutok yung issue ng climate change, which is way back pa. No? And also, DMC and SEC are already slowly, no, switching over. Okay. So that's it. And then now let's check ko lang very quickly dito sa comment section. Baka may mga questions dito, no? Sabi ni LG, nagbigay na pala na si Emrit ng dividends. Ayun, nice. Talaga, nagbigay na ba? Hindi ko pa nababalitaan yan. Pero good. Sabi ni Mark, I like Philstocks one screen. Speed, market depth, research, and service. Highly recommended. Ayun. Sabi nga ni Mark. Yep. Maganda si Philstocks and even yung kanyang interface. Ano kayang pwedeng sell price kay SGP? I don't know na. No, kasi sa ngayon, 'di ba, kung mapapansin niyo yung chart niya, medyo may pataas. 'Di ba? And unfortunately, yung pataas niya na yun, wala kang makikitang resistance. At least walang malinaw na resistance. So, kumbaga, ano pa yan? Free for all pa ang nangyayari sa kanya. Okay. Sabi ni Gary, may review ka na sir ng IPO ni Solar? Wala pa. No, I'll check ha. Yung prospectus muna niya, and then I'll create a small video. LJ, may conditional orders na ba si Philstocks? Wala pa. But then last time I checked, kasi sabi nila they are planning for it eh. Yun nga lang, it has been more than a year when I first heard na they are planning, and wala lang balita after that. So I don't know what will happen to them. Okay? So yan, that's it, no? At least this is for the Q&A. Now let's proceed sa ating stock request. Okay? So once again, ayan na. So meron na tayong 50 respondents here. Doon sa mga bago pa lang, if you still haven't entered your entry, no, for the stock review, then let me give you the link kung saan kayo pwedeng mag-vote, no? So voting lang tayo dito, no, para at least makita ko, ma-prioritize natin kung ano ang mga stock code na pag-uusapan. Ayan. Okay. So ayan na. Ayan. Oh, wait lang. Sabi ni Mark, meron na daw. May conditional orders na daw si Philstocks. Ayun. Kasi hindi ko pa alam, no? I have my Philstocks, pero iba yung strategy ko kasi ginagawa doon. So I haven't checked their conditional orders. So that's good, no? That's good to see na meron na palang conditional orders si Philstocks. Maraming salamat, Mark. Okay. So sige. While we wait, no? Kasi I'll be deactivating itong poll natin maya-maya once we are ready to begin. Yan. So remember, no, lahat ng pinag-uusapan natin dito, these are not recommendations, okay? But for research purposes only. Ikaw pa rin ang pipindot ng buy or sell button, so please think before you click. Yan. And syempre, no, if you find this type of session helpful, please consider following our social media accounts, especially sa ating YouTube channel, no, wherein ipopost ko yung timestamp. So kung halimbawa kayo guys, hindi nyo na umpisahan or gusto nyo reviewin yung mga napag-usapan natin dito, it will be more convenient. Okay? So again, sa YouTube po ito. And of course, remember, no, I am a swing trader kasi. So most of the things that I will share, the review and the analysis is based on swing trading. Okay? Kung halimbawa ikaw ay day trader, then this might not be or this is not for you totally, no? Pero kung gusto mong malaman kung ano ginagawa ng mga swing traders, then you can also reference itong mga insights, no, na maibibigay ko maya. Okay? So having said that, tayo, no? We have 56 so far. So sige, I'll give you 1 more minute, 60 seconds to key in, and then i-deactivate ko yung poll para tuloy-tuloy tayo mamaya. While waiting, just give me a few seconds. Kuha lang ako ng tubig. Naho na ako. Teka lang ha. Okay, so hello everyone. Yun, wow, 69 agad 70, sige. So let me try to prepare yung ating chart first para all goods tayo. Ayan. Or let me try to do this, no? Kasi I haven't been able to use TradingView dito sa ano natin. By the way, TradingView is already available, no? If you don't have it yet, uh, so mamaya I'll share to you why I like TradingView. Ginagamit ko ito mostly on, well, ever since, no, while I was trading forex and crypto, no. Pero hindi ko siya nagagamit sa local before dahil wala pa ang PSE dito. Pero ngayon meron na. Okay? So, let me try and share to you muna, no. This is the ano, and you can use that, no. That's my link. Okay, if you wanted to sign up, you can sign up free ito, free itong si TradingView. Meron siyang subscription model similar kay Investa, no? Pero ako I like si ano itong TradingView a lot better dahil you can actually do some crazy stuff here. Okay? So, wait lang. Saan ba ako? Naka-Binance kasi ako nagre-review kasi ako kanina. So, ayan, Philippine Stock Exchange, and then wala yan. So, ayan. Okay. Sige. And then let me try to clear itong indicator na to para hindi kayo malito masyado. Ayan. Okay. Why I like this one is because of this. Saan yun? Saan yun? Ba't wala? Ayan. Sige, ano tayo? For example, ACEN. Ayan. In one instant, you can actually see everything here, no? Even yung mga fundamentals. And then technical recommendation based on moving average itong part na to. Ayan. Okay. Ito lang, we will try this one for the meantime, no? Para at least ma-check ko din yung ano, marami tayong mga stocks na hindi ko pa napaplot dito eh. Okay. Sige. Going back here, asan ako? Yeah. So 86 na. Sige. Let's start. No, ito rin yan, guys. So with this, I'll be deactivating the poll right now. Yan, so wala na pong mag-key in dahil sarado na. And then, let me view the result. Yan. Wow, RCI. Tas Converge RCB Home. Okay. Weird, RCI. Very, very odd. Okay, sige. Let's do this. No? Ba't yun ang lumalabas? Ito. And then, ito. Okay, so RCI daw. RCI. Weirdoan ako dun. Anyways. Sige. Etong kasi si RCI, medyo mababa yung ano niya eh. Setupan ko lang ng ano. So usually I'm using MA50 and MA200. Why? Because I'm trying to capture that cross and golden cross on a long term. No? So ayan, as you can see here, this one is very long. This is very downtrend. Hindi ko naman kailangan sabihin sa inyo. Pero yeah, gusto ko lang at least ma-highlight that it is in a downtrend. Okay? Ayan, no? Kitang-kita yan dyan, no? Diba? Okay, so wala eh. Basag lahat to eh. Basag lahat talaga eh. Previously, eto siya. Nabasag. In terms of yan, okay. Ayan. So these three. Wala, for RCI, not a good way to go pa sa kanya, no? Kasi sobrang downtrend. Okay? And for swing traders, this is not a good way to go, no? Especially kapag downtrend yung isang stock. Maiipit ka lang yan. Okay? Siguro dun sa mga nag-vote in for RCI, I suggest go look for other stocks, no, na mas maayos. I'm afraid RCI is not a good one to, ano, unless you are waiting for the bounce. Yun nga lang kasi wala pa eh, no? Basag eh. Binabasag kasi niya yung support eh. So wala pa talaga. Okay, next, Converge. Yun. So ito naman si Converge, no? Maganda yung movement niya, at least uptrend pa rin siya. Okay? And like for example ngayon, after it drops, akala ko talaga aabot siya ng 25 pesos. Pero mukhang hindi na niya pinatulan pa. And right from here, nagkaroon na siya ng salo, no, doon sa part na yun. And as you can see here, above 32 pesos na siya, which is yung FIBO level ng 38.2%. Okay? Now, kung meron akong hawak na Converge, ang gagawin ko dito is I'll hold. Okay? Hold lang muna ako sa kanya. And see kung hanggang saan niya kayang mag-support, no? Itong si 32.45. Okay? Na yun, kung wala naman akong hawak na Converge, then my next question here is, yung presyo ba kanina, is it still okay to buy? Well, my answer to that is, depende dun sa upside, no? Potential upside. So for example, on how to do that, basically from 35.95, no? I-measure ko lang siya up until the resistance, which is 44 pesos. Yan. Okay? So, with that 22%, good. That's still good, no, in terms of upside. It's 22%. Yung limit ko kasi, or at least yung minimum ko, is 15%. Okay? So, ayan. Next, RCB. Mga low value stocks to Teka lang Excuse me. Okay. So, this is low value stocks, guys. For RCB, again, nothing against the low value stocks. So, it's just that yung style ko kasi is more on at least merong volume. Itong mga low value, wala masyado eh. Teka, may sumasayad sa... Alam muna ko, teka lang Wow, okay. I hope medyo okay na siya. Okay. Pero maganda yung ginawa niya before, no? Ano nangyari dito? Meron ba nakakaalala nito? It rose from magkano 750 hanggang sa umabot siya ng 28. Hindi ko na maalala yung part na yan. But it seems it happened this year, no? And then right now, the stock is doing a sideways. Okay? How I would plot my FIBO levels there is from here to here. 25 pesos. Yeah, mukhang valid yung FIBO. Kasi kita naman natin, di ba? Kung paano siya mag-consolidate dito sa areas na to. Ito. Ayan. Ayan din, di ba? Buo yung FIBO. Okay. So, having this one around, then I would say that yun nga lang, ang problema ko lang dito kay RCB is medyo maliit yung upside, no? But then again, siguro my general impression here, although maganda, valid yung FIBO, I would be I would stay away, no? Kasi ang problema ko talaga dito is the volume. Sobrang liit ng volume. Ayun, sabi ni John Michael, no, thank you for reminding. Oo nga pala, no. Pero is it Japan-based company ba? Hindi ko na maalala. Yeah, yung bumili ng ano ng hindi man majority stake pero at least a big chunk of the company. And yeah, yun yung nagpalipad sa presyo niya. Pero after that, no, kita niyo yun, nag-drop na siya agad. Okay. Next, home. Bakit merong home? Dahil ba ito kay kay ALLDY? Oh, nice. Maganda yung ginagawa ni home, no? Mukhang magkakaroon ng takutan dito sa area na to. Yeah, yung 1164. And then here, 950. Okay. So now my essentially my range, no. This stock is, although mukha siyang sideways, pero it is actually already on an uptrend. Okay? Uptrend na siya here. Okay? Uptrend na siya dun sa area, etong part na to. Okay? So basically for the uptrend stock like this one, it's still good, I would say, no. Yun nga lang, medyo mahina lang din talaga yung volume nito ni All Home. Lumakas lang ito dahil dito, no. Yung nagkaroon siya ng ano dun sa pagpasok ni ALLDY. So medyo nakilala ulit siya, and after that nag-lie low na rin yung kanyang volume. Okay? So, once again, no, ang range ko is between 950 hanggang 1164. Kung meron akong hawak na All Home, for this time, I'll hold. Okay? Pero kung wala akong hawak na All Home, then again, the question is, at its current price point, worth it pa ba siya? Or at least may upside pa ba siya? And to measure that again, is this. Yan. 17, around let's say 17-18%, no, potential upside. So technically, yeah, may good upside pa rin naman siya. Okay. So possible siya for test buy, no, on that area, tapos basta lang strict yung 950 as the cut loss level. Okay. MWIDE. Nagalaw na ba si MWIDE sa isang linggo na nawala ako? Wala pa din. Kainis. Kainis. Okay. So, ayan. Di kasi ang inabang ko dito is itong part na to, no? Yung 595. Okay? Kasi I find ito yung pinaka main support niya. 595 hanggang 6 pesos. Okay? And then, on the upper side naman is ito. 8 pesos. So, 6 to 8 pesos basically, no? Yun yung nakikita ko na range niya. Although, we can still argue with this one, 1070. Okay. So, once again, 33%, not bad. Not bad at all. No? Yun nga lang, syempre, it has to really hold, no? Just like what it has done dito, ayan, sa mga areas na yan. No? So, ngayon, andyan ulit siya. So, it's about to retest the 6 pesos na support. Okay? Kung meron akong hawak na MWIDE, I'll hold. No? Pero the moment na mag-drop shot below 595, no questions asked, I'll sell. Kung wala naman akong hawak na MWIDE, and ngayon pa lang, no, the stock is still on a sideways, which is good. And ito lang, kailangan lang niya mag-hold, no. So basically at 6.01, it is near the support na rin naman. So pwede na, no, pwede na. Yun nga lang again, the moment na ma-break yung 595, matic cut. Okay? Si SGP kasi is too early to tell. it's too early to tell kung ano yung maging price, kung saan siya. Okay? Kasi nga 'di ba nagkaroon ng dilution nung presyo ha, hindi ng value. Nagkaroon ng dilution nung presyo dahil doon sa FOO. 'Di ba? So massive discount agad siya. Okay? And for this one, kung papansinin natin, lakihan ko ng konti ano. So just waiting, no? Waiting for a resistance to develop actually. Mako-consider ko siya doon sa part ng mga 52-week highs. No? Kasi sobrang tagal na and sobrang tagal na nung previous niya na ano, kaya hindi ko na mako-consider as yung mga previous lines, no? Yung mga dinaanan niya na part nung pricing. So with this one, still speculative play for SGP. Okay, I need to see an actual resistance to develop here. But as it is right now, too early to tell. Okay, so ayan. Okay, kung meron akong hawak na SGP, I would still play around, no, and wait. Most likely, this will be the ultimate cut loss 1260. Pag nag-drop yan dyan, buhusan ang potentially buhusan ang mangyayari diyan, no. Pero kung halimbawa saan yung magiging TP ko, again, too early to tell, no, kasi wala pang resistance na makita. Kung wala naman akong hawak na SGP, anything from here on is purely speculation. So with having said that, ang mangyayari sa akin is I would rather wait for it to drop before I enter. Okay? Lilipad ba siya ng ganito? Hindi ko po alam. Babagsak ba siya ng ganito? Hindi ko rin alam. Okay? But what matters to me is that whatever happens here, I know meron akong action plan na nakasalang. Okay? So, ayan. And that's the beauty of having your trade plan, no? Hindi mo kailangang manghula kung lilipad ba siya or babagsak. You just know when to execute. Next is LTG. For LT group naman, siya, no? Ang ganda ng bounce niya doon sa Ang ganda ng untog niya doon sa 1064. Okay? So from here, no, akala ko rin magtutuloy-tuloy itong part na to. And then after niyan, nag-open higher pero nag-drop. So this part here, this is what I call a false breakout. Okay? Breakout yung itong part na to, tapos the next candle drop. False breakout. And usually on the false breakout, nagda-drop talaga yung presyo. Okay? Until makakita siya ng support. Okay? Nasaan yung support? Medyo inconclusive, pero ang nakikita ko dito is itong part na to, MA50. Okay? So, ayan. Kung meron akong hawak na LTG, siguro at this point, I'll hold. Okay? Pero I'll watch out for the 10 pesos. 10 pesos yung magiging cut loss price ko. Kung wala naman akong hawak na LTG, then it's not worth it pa, no? Kasi maliit na lang yung upside. I would rather wait for that to break out. And then from the breakout, I'll wait again for the pullback. Doon ako magkakaroon ng potential entry. And then tuloy-tuloy na yun. Okay? So yan, that would be my plan, no? KLTG kung sakali. Next, Seb. Ito si Seb kasi is on a sideways. Obviously, no? Sideways yan. Gano'ng katagal na siyang sideways? After niyang magkaroon ng death cross dito sa part na to, since December, no? Mag-iisang taon na siya na nasa sideways. Pero again, Ito yung magandang, again, up to you, no? Depende kung saan ka nakalugar. Okay? Kasi ganito siya. Pagdating sa SEB, this is on a tourism industry. And alam naman natin na on the tourism industry, yung ating yung market sentiment doon is hindi maganda. 'Di ba? Pero on the other side of that, dahil nag-sideways na yung SEB, that means na yes, hindi maganda right now, pero the moment na mag-recover yan, okay na. Diba? So, potential bodega play. Diba? And that is something that I'm also keen on finding out. Hindi ko pa alam, no? Since wala naman talaga nakakalam kung ano mangyayari sa price point nito in the long run, pero I'm excited to see kung anong gagawin ng SEB. Okay? At the moment, medyo maganda yung galawan niya. Okay? Especially on this part, no? Nung nag-bounce siya from 3880. So, binrake niya yung MA50, binrake din niya yung MA200. Okay? So, that's good. Now, how I would play it, no, kung halimbawa, if meron akong hawak na SEB, I'll hold. And then, I'll look for this one. Ito magiging main reference point ko, MA200. Okay? Kasi mukha namang nag-bounce naman din siya dito. Diba? Itong last candle nung Friday yata. Diba? Nag-bounce na siya doon. Okay? And then, confirmation candle kanina. Okay? Now, saan magiging target ko niyan? Well, the initial one is here. Ayan. Nasa 57.90. And then, after that, ito yun yun. 57.90 or 50, yeah, 57.90, no? And then, after nyan is 84. Ay, hindi. No. Sorry. It should be here, no? Sa around 80 nga. Around 80. So, again, no? If this one breaks. Okay? So, ayan. Ngayon, kung wala naman akong hawak na SEB, anong gagawin ko? Again, I'll be measuring kung from 48.80 kanina hanggang 57. Right about 50, right about 20%. So, not bad, no? For an upside. Pero you have to consider itong part na to. Yung 54 pesos. Kasi nagkaroon ng mini resistance dito eh. Please also consider that. ACEN. Ayan, okay. Itong si ACEN. Guys, watch out for this one ha. Itong MA50. No, mukhang nagpaparamdam siya. No? When I say nagpaparamdam, ibig kong sabihin is that mukhang gumagawa siya ng way, no, to support the stock. No? And this has been happening since, I think mula dito, no, way back in July. Ayan din, no. Kita nyo on how it bounced, no, the moment na dumidikit siya doon. Ito rin, no. And then kanina, no, lumapit siya doon sa MA50 pero nag-push up pa rin yung mga buyers. Okay? So, kung meron akong hawak na ACEN, anong gagawin ko? I'll hold. No, I'll hold for now. And then, I'll set my cut loss siguro nasa around 11.50. While kung wala naman akong hawak na ACEN, then at this moment kasi medyo alanganin na ako sa kanya. Why? Kasi the upside is very small na. No? Let's say, even if I waited sa 11 pesos, maliit na lang yun, 12% na lang. No? What I would rather wanted to see here is this. A breakout. No? Mas pipiliin ko or mas hihintayin ko tong breakout na to. And then from the breakout, again, my breakout play is I don't really buy on the breakout, but I wait for it to drop or to to pull back. No? And then doon ako sa pullback bibili. Okay? So, yun. Next, DMC. Yan. Ito ha. Ito. So, DMC is, well, maganda yung naging galawan ni DMC, no? Di ba? Mainly driven by its high dividend yield, no? Nung, I think, a month ago. Di ba? Pero after that, medyo nawalan ng steam. Kasi etong part na to yung etong part na to yung nag-drive ng presyo, no, on the dividend. Pero after that, nung nagkaroon na nung nabayaran na sila ng dividend, nag-start na yung decline niya. Okay? And right now, kung mapapansin niyo, basag yung MA50 kanina. Because of this candle. Okay? So, I would be interested to see kung ano mangyayari bukas. If this one drops even further sa below MA50, then I might consider taking profit or cutting losses kung alin man, kung nasa situation doon. Okay? Now, kung halimbawa, no, hopefully, no, mag-close siya higher, then that would be a better scenario for DMC. Okay? Kasi potentially, i-hold na yan ng MA50. Okay? And then, after that, tatargeting ko na ulit ito. Yung 9 pesos. Okay? So, ayan. That's my take on DMC, no? Next, AGI. Ayan. Uy, nice. Ang ganda nung kay AGI. Ay, hindi. Sorry, hindi ito. Ayan. So, parang kakaiba yung part na yun. Ayan. Ooh. Not sure kung nakikita nyo siya, no? Pero there was this... Ay, hindi kasi nabasag na rin naman niya. Anyways. So, ayan. Okay. Sabi ko na eh. Mukhang nagkakauntugan dito sa area na to. 1150. Yeah. Nagkakauntugan dun sa 1150. So, abang na lang, no? Kung ano yung gagawin niya rito. Pero yung mga ganitong klase ng candles, medyo alanganin na ako dyan. Okay? Siguro ganito, no? If I have AGI, just basing on the candles, I would take profit kahit na let's say mga 20% lang. Okay? 20% cut, 20% na take profit. Okay? Para lang ma-realize ko yung gains ko, no? Kasi ang problema ko with these candles is that this is an engulfing candle, a bearish engulfing candle. No, and usually on a bearish engulfing candle, as the name suggests, no, yung bias niya is to go down. Kasi nga bearish. Okay? Kung wala naman akong hawak na AGI, then I would wait, no? Hintayin ko siya mag-drop hanggang 1050, or kung kaya niya mag-breakout, better, no? And then I wait for the pullback. As always, no? Lagi naman ganun. Okay. Next, Meg. For Mega World, medyo maganda na yung galawan ni Meg dito, no? I think it is still on a sideways. Yeah, sideways pa rin itong si Meg. Pero the good thing is, this is 200, di ba? MA 200, above the MA 200 na siya. Okay? Well, that is significant, no? At least for me. Kasi, again, alam naman natin itong si MA 200, medyo heavy yan in terms of potential support or resistance. Okay? So, for Meg, kung meron akong hawak nito, I'll hold. Okay? I'll hold. And then, I'll set my cut loss sa 320. Kung wala naman akong hawak na Meg, Then mag-aabang ako ng siguro magandang price point. Teka ha, asan yung support ko dito? Ay, yung resistance ko dito. I can see one here at 370. And then of course, the other one is here, no, at 430. Okay, so yun yung mga next sets of resistance ko for the stock. And right now, 333, is it? Wala na, medyo alanganin eh. Again, ang minimum ko kasi for the before I enter is at least sana 15%, no, para meron ako magandang flexibility. Pero with this one kasi is medyo maliit na. Unless I go here, no? Then that would be better. Yun nga lang, syempre, we have to consider itong part pa rin natin. Okay? Next, dito, ito, pinag-uusapan lang natin siya kanina, di ba? After it drops, no? Kasi yan. After it drops, no, at 604, the next one is 4 pesos. No? The next one is 4 pesos. So sana hindi. Sana mag-hold, no? Merong mini dito sa 5 pesos na, pero since weak lang yung kinuhanan niyan diyan, I still think that itong 4 pesos will be a stronger support, no? So sana basta sana mag-hold yun na lang, no? And makabalik siya. Kung meron akong hawak na dito, siguro I look for opportunity para mag-sell muna. Pwede ko naman kasing balikan yan eh, the moment na maka-rebound, no? But for now, the bias is still on a bearish side. Kaya ilag muna ako sa kanya. And besides, this stock is still on a downtrend. Okay? Kung meron naman wala akong hawak na dito, saan ako sasalo? Most likely, dalawa. I would be waiting for this to happen sa 4 pesos. Or, I wait for it to break out, no? Mag-break out siya dun sa 7 pesos. Okay? Wait lang, balik muna ako sa comment section before I continue, no? Sabi ni Open Box, anong meron kay SGP? Siya nag-FOO nung nakaraan, di ba? FOO ba? SRO? I think FOO. No? Mark, until when will you wait for 57 to 80? Teka, anong SEB ba ito? Mark, again, in terms of the period kasi, that is something na hindi ko siya kayang hindi ko alam, no? Kung hanggang kailan siya magiging ganun, kung hanggang kailan siya mag-sideways, kung hanggang kailan siya mag-uptrend or downtrend. Okay? Ako, ang focus ko lang actually is when the stock price hits my targets. Yun lang. Okay? Kasi hindi ko kaya kontrolin yung time na piece, di ba? So, I would rather. ACEN deleted from MSCI small cap and added to MSCI. Nabasa ko ito before pero hindi ko na maalala yung exact details, no? If it is if ganito nga yun, no, then that is a good news. Okay, kasi that means ACEN is upgraded from small cap to the main index ng MSCI. Kung anong klaseng index mo siya, I think Southeast Asian something. No? So, well, that's a good news for ACEN. Pero the impact is not that big kasi again, MSCI sure, no? Pero hindi naman siya ganun hindi siya ganun ka-significant, no? There is of course a positive sentiment. Pero yun nga, short term lang 'yon. Kumbaga pang boost. Pero yung para doon, it dies down din kasi. No, yung news na 'yon. So may ganung part. Okay, okay. Sige, no, so since it's already 9:56, ganito na lang, I'll take last 5. Okay, last 5 na lang, ha? Kasi medyo humahaba. Pero guys, don't worry, again, I'll be posting yung timestamp. Okay? So kung hindi niyo man siya na abot kanina or gusto niyo reviewin, then pwede niyong balikan doon sa YouTube channel. Okay? Doon ko ilalagay yung ating timestamp. Okay? So last 5 na lang. Pipiliin na lang ako dito, ha. I like JFC. Sige, let's take si ALLDY ba? O sige. JFC, ALLDY, ALLHC, and Monde. So again, no, Monde, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So may isa pa. Okay. GMA 7. O sige, sama natin si SEC. O yan. JFC, SEC, ALLDY, GMA 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, si ALLHC, and si Monde. Okay? So, yun na, last 6. Okay. So, let's go with JFC. For JFC, well, maganda ginagawa ni JFC right now, no? Ang ganda ng pagka-uptrend niya, oh. Di ba? Solid, oh. So, not only itong support na to na naka-diagonal is supporting the stock, even the moving averages. Diba? Ganda ng movement niya. So, sana, no, magtuloy-tuloy. Okay? Now, ganito. Given that this is my resistance here, oo nga, no? Yun nga lang, mukhang drop. Ay, hindi, pwede. Okay. Sige. Okay. Kung meron akong hawak na JFC at this time sa 249, I'll hold. No? I'll hold. And then, magsiset na lang ako ng cut loss ko sa 220. Gano'ng kalaki yun? Teka, ha? Ayoko naman kasi 220. Ayun, laki. That's 11%. Okay, so if that's the case, then I'll stick to 5%. By percentage na lang. So, that means 235 area. No? Yun yung magiging cut loss, no? Cut loss ko. Cut loss or take profit, depende kung ano yung ninyo. Kung yung situation. Okay? Kung wala naman akong hawak na JFC, I'll wait. No? I'll wait. Hihintayin ko na mag-drop yung presyo neto up until most likely, doon ako mabalik sa 220. No? 220 hanggang 210 actually pwede. No? Yung areas na yan. Okay? Doon ako mag-aabang. Okay? And then target ko noon will be 320. No? Kung nasan tong part na to. Okay? So that's my take on JFC. SCC naman, para yun lang. Nabasag niya yung MA50. Sayang. Okay. So dahil nabasag niya yung MA50, let's look for the next potential support, no? And medyo obvious tong part na to. 19. Okay? 19 pesos could be its support. Okay? Kung meron akong hawak na SEC, anong gagawin ko? Teka ha, let's try to measure kung gaano kalalim pa to. Ang ita-travel niya going to 19 na support, no? 11, almost 11%. So medyo may kalakihan pa. Okay, so with that, siguro I'll look for opportunity to sell. No? At this time kay SEC. When I say looking for opportunity to sell, I mean I'll wait for a green candle. No? When I see a green candle, then doon ako magte-take profit. Kahit partial, no? Wala nang masama. especially kung maganda naman yung presyohan mo, yung average price mo, di ba? Kaya niya, di ba? So, ayan. And then, abang na lang, no? Kung anong gagawin niya sa 19. Kung wala naman akong hawak na SEC, then ayun. I'll watch out for the 19 pesos. The moment na mag-bounce, potential good entry yon. Okay? Ang target niya is ito, of course, no? 30 pesos. Okay? So, ayan. That's Semirara. Next is ALLDY. Si ALLDY naman ay okay. So, magkano ulit yung presyohan ni ALLDY? 0.60, tama? 0.60 or 0.62? O basta. Tapos, nagkaroon ng ceiling play the first day, di ba? Nag 0.90 and then hindi na siya pinakawalan ng mga buyers. Or sorry, ng mga sellers. Hindi na siya nag-drop, no? Opening hanggang closing 0.90. Okay? Pero the next day, doon siya binawian, no? Ang ganda ng opening, 1.10 from a potential ceiling na 1.3, tama ba? Pero after nun, nag-drop. Okay? So ngayon, eto na siya. How I would create my plot points there is simply I'll take etong lower side na to. And then, yun nga lang kasi ang problema dito is wala pa siya masyadong resistance, no? Siguro, based on this candles pa lang, this will be my resistance, 110. No? Which means my effective range here is 0.70 hanggang 110. And that is a potential range of about 50%. No? Doon siya maglalaro. Okay? Now, kung meron akong hawak na ALLDY, anong gagawin ko sa 0.80, no? I'll hold. Okay? And then wait for it to develop even further. Kung wala naman akong hawak na ALLDY, then I would wait for the stock to drop. No? Sana mag-drop, no? Kung halimbawa wala akong hawak na ALLDY. Okay? So, hanggang dyan. And then wait for it to bounce. Okay? Next, GMA7. Yan. Interesting. Okay. So, for GMA7, yung range ko naman sa kanya is between 1270 hanggang 1620. Okay? And as you can see here, itong MA50, tama ba? This is MA50, no? Ayan. Itong MA50 na yan, ang ganda ng suporta kay GMA7. Okay? So, pwede ko to maging point of reference si MA50. How? Kung meron akong hawak na GMA7, I'll hold. Okay? And then, I'll watch out for this MA50. If it drops below that, then that can be my cue to take profit kahit partial. Okay? Pero kung wala naman akong hawak na GMA7, I think yung mga candlesticks dito kanina, medyo maganda, no? Maganda yung naging output niya. Yun nga lang, ang problema ko lang dyan is, if I buy this, just because it touched the MA50, kumusta yung magiging upside ko? Maliit. Diba? So, kung wala akong hawak na GMA7, siguro, muna ako, I'll wait na lang, no? For me kasi medyo may conservative talaga ako, no, as a swing trader. So, kung sa mga ganong klaseng play, I'll just wait for it to break out. Tas doon na lang ako. Okay? Ayan. Next, ALLHC. By the way, dun sa mga you might be wondering kung anong ginagamit ko dito. This is TradingView. Okay, this is trading view. Okay, madalas ano rin sa inyo, familiar kayo with Investa, di ba? The difference is, well, technically this is Investa din kasi, di ba? Investa is using trading view. No, kumbaga nag-relabel lang sila pero its back end charting talaga is ito, trading view. Okay? If wala pa kayo nito and gusto niyo mag-open ng account, which is libre lang naman, walang problema, no? You can use ito. I'll give you link where you can open it. Okay? You can open a free account, wala namang problema. No? A lot of the things that you can see here, parang kay Investa lang din, di ba? You can open up a free account, tapos kung may mga subscription, you can do the same. Okay? Pero ako kasi naka-subscribe ako sa kanya. Kasi gusto kong paglaruan yung mga backtesting dito. We will have ito, tsaka yung mga alerts. Ito yung mga trip ko dyan eh. And anyways, going back here, GMA7, no? Ano yung next ko ulit? ALLHC. Ayan. So, si ALLHC naman, parang kay ano lang to, no? Kay JFC kanina. No? Malaala JFC. Wherein, umiikot siya doon sa uptrend channel niya. Tanggalin ko to para hindi nakakalito. Ayan. Ayan. Doon siya nagka-travel doon sa uptrend channel niya. And right now, mukhang dumidikit, no, itong MA50 at saka itong lower band nung uptrend channel for ALLHC. By the way, isisingit ko na lang din. I think over the weekend or late last week, nagkaroon ng disclosure, ha? Tawag dito. Ayala Logistics is buying a majority stake kay Air 21. Okay? About 60% of it bibilhin ni Ayala Logistics. Okay? Now, marami kasi ako nakita sa social media, no, na sinasabi nila na si ALLHC yon. No, hindi po. Okay? ALLHC is different from Ayala Logistics. Okay? Just wanted to clarify that. Okay, kasi baka malito kayo. Okay. ALLHC is Ayala Land Logistics and Holdings. The other one is Ayala Logistics. So, si ALLHC is under Ayala Land. Okay? While si Ayala Logistics is under naman ni Ayala Corp. Okay? So, ayan. Now, going back here, no? Kung meron akong hawak ng ALLHC, I'll hold. Okay? Kasi ang ganda nung ang ganda nung pagkaka-hold dito, especially ito si MA50, oh. Nag-hold talaga siya ng maayos. Okay? Kung wala naman akong hawak na ALLHC, anong gagawin ko? Well, this one is quite interesting, no? Pero ang kasi nito, potential play kasi dito is all-time high, no? Okay? Potential all-time high the moment na ma-break yung 6 pesos. So, kung wala akong hawak nun, then, kung wala akong hawak na ito, I'll just wait for the breakout to happen. Okay? I'll wait for the breakout to happen na lang para at least medyo maganda yung positioning ko. And then, alam naman natin, on the 52, on all-time highs, there is no resistance. So, waiting game. Yan. Okay? And then last but not the least is Monde. Ayan. Si Monde naman, nag-break na pala siya, no? Doon sa initial resistance niya. That's good. Yun nga lang, mukhang may harang. Hinaharangan siya ng MA50. Well, hindi pa naman siya confirm, no? We'll see, especially tomorrow, kung ano gagawin niya. Medyo tight kasi yung yung area na to between 17 pesos hanggang 1760 actually. No, medyo tight. So we'll see how this one will pan out for Monde. Kung meron akong hawak na ito, I'll hold muna. Okay? Pero magkakaroon ako ng hard cut loss or take profit kung ano man yung dito sa 17 pesos. No, kahit partial. Okay? While kung wala naman akong hawak na Monde, then teka ha, silipin nga natin kumusta pa yung upside. Let's say I'll take 1760. Hanggang dito, yeah, medyo tight na rin. Medyo kulang, no? Siguro pag ganito, I'll wait na lang for Monde to drop pa even further. Who knows? Baka kasi yung next na support ko rito will be here. 1550 or 1515, no? So who knows kung dito, then much better. Kasi once this one hits, then my potential upside can grow up to 30%. Diba? So, ayan. Okay. So, hanggang dito lang muna, no? Hanggang dito lang muna tayo, guys, no? Once again, I'll be posting yung timestamp maya-maya, okay? So, just wait it out kung kaya ninyo or pwede nyo balikan tomorrow. Okay? So, ayan. Once again, guys, maraming salamat for tuning in. I know it's already, 10-12 na pala, no? So, ayan. Maraming salamat for tuning in and as always, good luck sa inyong mga trading. Bye, guys!